power of video marketing in engaging audiences. Video marketing is like a movie that engages your audience and drives business results. Let's develop a strategy that increases brand awareness, builds trust, and drives conversions. Our experts will help you develop a video marketing strategy that resonates with your audience and drives business results. We'll help you develop a content calendar, create engaging content, and distribute it across channels. We'll be able to establish thought leadership, build relationships, and drive revenue. The power of video marketing in engaging audiences lies in its ability to 1. Capture attention. Videos can grab attention more effectively than text or images alone. 2. Convey complex information. Videos can simplify complex concepts and make them easier to understand. 3. Evoke emotions. Videos can create an emotional connection with viewers, leading to increased engagement and empathy. 4. Showcase products or services. Videos can demonstrate products or services in action, helping audiences understand their value. 5. Build trust. Videos can establish a personal connection with viewers, building trust and credibility. 6. Increase engagement. Videos can encourage likes, shares, comments, and other social media engagement. 7. Improve SEO. Videos can improve search engine rankings and increase online visibility. 8. Reach a wider audience. Videos can be shared across multiple platforms, reaching a broader audience. 9. Measure and analyze. Video analytics can provide insights into audience behavior and engagement. 10. Foster creativity. Videos can be used to showcase creativity and innovation, setting your brand apart. By leveraging the power of video marketing, businesses can create engaging content that resonates with their audience, builds brand awareness, and drives results. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!